I'm okay if someone says, I eat milk and milk products and I have no problem. I'll say, great. Is it true that milk is inflammatory, wheat is inflammatory? It can be true. We need to take it at an individual level. If someone is taking milk and dairy and feels absolutely fine at the peak of their health, I'm not going to complain. If someone says, I'm feeling not right, is milk inflammatory for me? The only way to answer that is going to be elimination and see how they feel. Same with wheat. The wheat that we eat nowadays is highly genetically modified, so it can be very, very inflammatory. It's not the what you call ancient grain. So we now have come up with this Kapli wheat and all that. So Emmer's wheat or ancient wheat, which is not genetically modified. If you check and see, the ultimate answer would come from your body. So it's important to make these decisions after you've figured out what works for you. So you kind of remove things and then introduce them one by one. So I have been off dairy personally for a long time. So if by fluke, like if I have a chai, let's say at somebody's place, which is made with milk, it starts to feel different in my system. I don't like the way I feel after having dairy. I love cheese though, but I still don't take it because I've decided that I'm not going to take it. But milk particularly, I do personally react. So is it inflammatory? There are not so many blood tests to say you are now getting inflamed because of milk. You have to sort of do the elimination and see how your body responds.